The central gem of Nepal, Dhading, is the embodiment of the country's authentic charm, displaying a wonderful blend of rich culture, intriguing heritage, and breathtaking natural landscape. Perched majestically, it forms a vibrant mosaic where east meets west and north meets south, with Kathmandu, Nuwakot, Makwanpur, and Rasua on one side, and Gorkha and Chittagong on the other, while sharing a picturesque northern border with Tibet. Hello and Namaste. I am back with another video. It's me Sandesh Neupane and you are watching the Sandesh Neupane. In this video, I'll be talking about the Dhading district of Nepal. Please watch the full video to know about Dhading district. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell. With its hot pulsating in Dhading Basin, the district's vibrant hub, Dhading casts a wide geographical net sprawling over diverse terrain. The district's northern part, for instance, rises above the clouds, reaching the heights of alpine climate zone. Here, the air is crisp and fresh, and the panoramic views of snow-dusted peaks, a part of Ganesh Himal, provide an ethereal spectacle that imprint itself on the minds of its visitors. As one travels southward, the landscape mellows down into lush subtropical plains, crafting a picturesque juxtaposition that is quaintly Dhading. These lower regions are the lifeblood of the district's agricultural heritage, boasting fertile soil that paint the land with multiple crops from rice to maize to millet and wheat, adding to the scenic beauty. The district's geographical splendor is not just for show, it plays a significant role in its natural mosaic, shaping the lifestyle, tradition, and livelihoods of its residents. Whether it's the shepherd tending his sheep in the highland pasture or the farmer plowing his field in the lowlands, each individual in Dhading has a unique story to tell, a story that is deeply intertwined with the land they call home. What truly sets Dhading apart, however, it is a harmonious blend of diverse climatic zones. Despite its compact size, it houses climates ranging from subtropical to alpine, offering a unique cross-section of Nepal's diverse ecology. This climatic diversity translates into a rich tapestry of flora and fauna, making Dhading a paradise for nature enthusiasts and explorers. In a nutshell, the Dhading district is a symphony of nature's best elements, an alluring mix of geography and culture, and a testament to Nepal's enduring charm. It is a place that promises uniquely enriching experience to every visitor, compelling them to come back for more. Dhading, a mosaic of cultures. The diversity of Dhading extends beyond its physical attributes, reaching deep into its social fabric. The district, with its broad spectrum of ethnic groups and languages, forms an incredible tapestry that truly embodies the spirit of Nepal's multicultural identity. The language spoken here, including Nepali, Tamang, and Newari, each add their unique threads to this tapestry, creating a linguistic diversity that is as enriching as it is fascinating. Among the several ethnic groups that inhabit Dhading, the Brahmins and Kshetris are prominent, their presence painting a vibrant picture of Nepal's complex caste system. Newar and Tamang too form significant chunks of the population, their distinct cultures and traditions contributing generously to Dhading's eclectic charm. The presence of these diverse communities provide a fascinating glimpse into the social structure of Nepal, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in a deep cultural experience. When it comes to education, Dhading shines with a commitment that stands tall against its challenges. A literacy rate that hovers around 60% in this rural district is a testament to its resilient pursuit of knowledge. Schools are scattered across its wide geography, some nestled in the highlands, others dotted across the lowland plains. Each institution, whether small or large, plays a pivotal role in shaping the district's future, instilling a love for learning among its residents. Religion, too, is an integral part of Dading's cultural identity. Hinduism is the dominant faith, its echoes resounding in the chants of the temples, the vibrant festival, and the daily routines of its people. However, the harmony between different faiths is one of the standout features of the district. Buddhism coexists peacefully with Hinduism, its influence manifested in the numerous monasteries, the prayer flags fluttering in the wind, and the serene Buddhist chants that meld into Dading's soundscape. The religious harmony mirrors Nepal's border ethos, one that fosters unity amid diversity. In essence, Dading is not merely a district on map, but a living, breathing entity that encapsulates the cultural vibrancy of Nepal. Its ethnic diversity, linguistic variety, commitment to education, and religious harmony are the threads that weave together to create a rich social fabric, one that is ready to welcome anyone willing to experience and appreciate its depth. The administrative pulse of Dading. At the heart of Dading district lies Dading Besi, its administrative and cultural capital. More than just the district's headquarters, Dadingbesi is a pulsating hub of activity, showcasing a captivating blend of traditional life and modern amenities. The vibrant town, with its bustling markets, beautiful temples, and schools, pulses with the rhythm of local life. Yet, amidst this busy urban facade, the spirit of Dading's traditional ethos remains deeply ingrained, providing a rare glimpse into the authentic lifestyle. Dading Besi is also an important infrastructural center, hosting several governmental and non-governmental offices, healthcare facilities, and educational institutions. Its strategic location, excellent convenient connectivity with other parts of the district, and well-established amenities make it an essential pivot around which the district's administrative, economic, and social activities revolve. Dhading's administrative framework is intricate and well organized, divided into 13 local government units. The division allows for more efficient and localized administration, ensuring that each part of the district receives the attention and resource it requires. These units include Dhunibesi, a buzzing commercial town, Nilkantha Municipality, the district's urban hub, and Khaniabas, Gajuri, Galchi, Ganga Jamuna, Jwalamukhi, Tharke, Netrawati, Dobang, Ruby Valley, Siddha Lake, Benighat, and Tripura Sundari Rural Municipality, known for its scenic beauty and warm hospitality, among others. Each local government unit in Dhading possesses a unique charm and character that reflects the district's diverse socio-cultural fabric. From bustling towns with thriving markets to serene rural municipalities surrounded by lush landscapes, Dhading's administrative division offer a wide array of experiences. They not only perform their administrative functions but also act as cultural incubators, such nurturing and preserving its unique tradition and practices while adapting to the changing times. Unfolding the tapestry of Dading's attraction. Like a carefully woven tapestry, Dading unravels to reveal a wealth of attractions that cater to all types of explorers, from the adventurous at heart to seekers of tranquility, culture enthusiasts to nature lover. It's a distinct that invites you to delve deeper, promising a new discovery at every turn. For the adventurers and nature lovers, the Ganga Jamuna waterfall, over a sight to behold. Located amidst the picturesque landscape, the twin waterfalls cascade down from a height, their thunderous roar and harmonious symphony that resonates with the surrounding wilderness during the monsoon. The waterfall roar with a renewed vigor, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. A trek to this natural wonder takes you through verdant forest and terraced fields, rewarding you with stunning vistas along the way. Siddha Cave, on the other hand, calls out to the spirituality inclined and curious explorers. This sacred cave, one of the largest in Nepal, it is also a place of religious significance, with devotees flocking here during special occasions. The cave's mystical aura, coupled with its natural beauty, makes it a must-visit attraction in Dhading. For those seeking serenity amid nature, the Ruby Valley offers a perfect escape. Named after the precious stone found here, the valley enchants with its tranquil beauty. Blanketed with emerald green fields and dotted with quaint villages, it offers a slice of rural Nepali life against the backdrop of towering mountains. The valley is also a trekker's paradise, with several trails winding through it, each promising or inspiring panoramas. In essence, Dading is a treasure trove of experience and attractions. Its varied landscapes, cultural hotspots, and natural wonders make it an unmissable destination on Nepal's tourism map. Dading invites you to take the road less traveled and discover its hidden gems, assuring an unforgettable journey through its charming territories. The locals here, warm and friendly, welcome you with their smile as radiant as the Nepalese suns. Exchanging greetings with them, hearing their stories, and witnessing their simple yet fulfilling lives will be truly enriching. In conclusion, Dading is just not a district, it's a portal to an unforgettable journey. Each visit uncovers a new layer of its charm, making you yearn for more. So, pack your bags and prepare to fall in love with Dading's delightful offering. Thank you for watching the video till end. How was the video? Please comment down in the comment section. If you like the video, please press the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends so they also can know about the place. And if you are new to my channel, please press that subscribe button and don't forget to press that notification bell. Hope to meet you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.